Welcome to this quick guide on configuring the Rocksensor RTT5000 field mount temperature transmitter. Let's go step by step. Before wiring, always verify the input sensor. We are using a 3-wire PT100 RTD. With a multimeter, check resistance. It should match the surrounding temperature. Now do connections. Plus and minus terminals for 24 VDC power supply. RTD wires, terminal 1, 2, and 3. Wires at 2 and 3 are common, and terminal 1 is a third wire. The RTT5000 has 3 buttons for configuration. M, menu used to enter the menu, and a long press takes you back. S, shift. Z, adjustment, scroll. Now let's configure the range. Press M to enter the menu. Press Z to scroll to function 31, set primary. Press M to enter. Scroll with Z to function 06, LRV. Press M and set the lower range value using S and M. Next, go to function 07 URV to set the upper range value the same way. Finally, scroll to function 36, save, press M, and confirm. This step is mandatory.